Hey, what's going on, guys? TurtyWurty here. Today in this video we're going to be looking at crops and seeds for our crops. So let's get started. So I am now using my new mic. I haven't really tested it yet, so this may be a bit of a test video just to get it right for the next videos. So if my mic's a bit weird on here, I'll get that fixed in the next one. Yes, but now I've done that, as you have noticed, the channel is now changed to TurtyWurty. I've been unable to address this in previous videos because they were pre-recorded in December, 24th of December to be exact. So anyways, let's get started into the tutorial. So, first, we are going to actually create our crop block. So we're going to public static final block, and we're going to do lemon underscore plant equals new lemon plant. Put these things in, and we want to do, oh no, we don't want material in here. We want to do lemon underscore plant and put a semicolon on the end. And actually we want to change this to block lemon plant. And we're going, no, we don't need block lemon plant. So we're going to do create class. We're going to put it in .objects .blocks .crops, and we're going to extend block crops like that, and import block crops. And now we need to create a few axis aligned BBs. So these are bounding boxes like what we did in the custom block model tutorial. So we're going to do private static, oh that's not static, static final axis aligned BB, and this time it's going to be a list because we need to have multiple, and we're going to call this list lemon plant, so we can call it by calling that variable, and that equals a new axis aligned BB, and we're going to create a new list again. In here we're going to do a new axis aligned BB, and inside here we're going to put some bounding boxes. So these are specific for my plant. If you want to do it different, then you will have to figure out these dimensions and stuff yourself. So we're going to have 0.0, 0.0, 1.0, 0.125, and 1.0 D. These all need to have D on the end. Oh. Next, we're going to have another one. So new axis aligned BB. In here we're going to put the next set of values, which I'm going to copy because I have them copied. I'm just going to copy the whole thing. So the axis aligned BB will be in the description of this video because it's rather long. As you can see, make sure you import axis aligned BB. Let's put space there to make it neater. Right, and then underneath this, so let's go down one, we're going to need our actual main method for this. So we're going to put public lemon plant. Inside here we're going to put a string name. We don't need material because it's extending block crops, which already sets it the material of gourd, which is like plants basically. No, it sets it to material dot plants or crops. Yeah, which I think you can guess what that is. So then you set the unlocalized name to name. We set the registry name to name. We don't set the creative tab because this is our block, and we wouldn't want our block in the creative tab. And we're going to add it to our block init. And we're not going to add it to item init either. We're not having the register models method because, once again, we don't want the item. So yeah, now we're going to create the onBlock activated method. So if you go onBlock activated, and in here we're going to have a few if statements. So let me just clean this up a bit because this is disgusting at the moment. So first we're going to have if world if world isn't remote, is not remote, then we're going to do another if statement for if this dot is max age state, and we're going to put another if in, no, not another if in here, I mean. Now in here we're going to have world in dot spawn entity new entity item world in pos dot get x pos dot get y pos dot get z and then we're going to have a new item stack. So this is declaring what the item actually is. So it's going to be new item stack of item init dot dot lemon underscore seeds, which we obviously don't have yet, and we're going to say 2. At the end, put a semicolon, import item init item stack and entity item, and then we want to copy this, paste it, change this over to lemon, change it to lemon and 1, and then we want to return true, like that. And then down here we want to return false. So now we need to do get seed and get crop. So you want to get seed and return item init dot lemon underscore seeds. Probably should have created the seeds first, but oh well. And then you want to do get crop. Oh, I need to get rid of this, but I don't know how to. There we go, get crop. There we go. And we also want to return the seeds. So return item init dot lemon underscore seeds. Get bounding box. Get bounding box. Push that down there. Return. Now we're going to call our bounding box variable, which we set as lemon underscore plant. And then we're going to put 2 open parentheses, integer. Move across 1, state dot get value. In there we're going to put this dot get age property, and we're going to come totally out of these, and we're going to do dot int value and put a semicolon on the end. So now here you can see we have these errors, obviously. So let's go fix these now. So in our item init, we can close. Yeah, we can close block init now. We can close. No, we don't need. We can't close lemon plant yet. So in here we're going to do public static final item lemon underscore seeds equals new lemon seeds lemon underscore seeds. Right, and to make this simple for me, I'm actually going to change lemon, even though this doesn't make sense, but I'm going to change it to Ruby apple, so that I don't have to create a lemon. I do have a lemon in my other mod, but I don't particularly want to use the texture for that here. So now we're going to create our lemon seeds class. So we're going to put it in dot objects dot items, enter extends item, and we want it to implement. Firstly, I has model, obviously we always need that for an item, and I plantable. Import both of those, and we're going to create our public method. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing? String name, obviously, always need that, not namer, gamer. And we're going to set our unlocalized name. No, sir. We're going to set our registry name to name. Yeah. We're going to set our creative tab to tutorial mod tab. We're going to then do item init dot items dot add this. We're now going to create our register models method. So register models, you should know the register models off by heart by now, at least I would assume. If you don't, then try to learn it off by heart. It might actually be useful to you. Because yes, it's quite a simple method really. So we're going to push this down one, and we're going to put on item use. So this is what happened when you use the item. Get rid of that, get rid of that, totally get rid of that. We're now going to put item stack is equal to player dot get held item and hand import item stack. Then do I block state is equal to world in dot get block state pos, yep, and import I block state. Then we want to do if facing is equal to enum facing dot up and player dot can player edit pos dot offset facing stack and state dot get block dot can sustain plant state world in pos enum facing dot up and this and world in dot is air block pos dot up. Now that was a long if statement, so it's checking for a lot of things and very specific things. So in here we're going to put world in dot set block state to pos dot up, and then block init dot lemon plant dot get default state stack dot shrink 1 return enum action result dot success. Close that, come out of this little if statement, put else return enum action result dot fail. Man, that was a long ass method. We got 2 more to create though. Get plant type, and in here we're going to put return enum plant type dot crop like that, and then we're going to create another one which is get plant, and in here we're going to return block init dot lemon plant dot get default state. Whew. Jesus, why such long methods? I honestly couldn't tell you. So now we're probably going to need to create our models and etc. So save all this. Yep. Make sure there's no errors. There shouldn't be. You can now close all your Java. Go into assets. Go into tutorial mod. Go block states. We're going to copy our candy cane and paste, and we're going to call it lemon underscore plant. Go into lemon plant. Take out everything. We're going to do this. Put in variants. Do this. And then age is equal 0. And you can have open this and then do model is equal tutorial mod dash lemon underscore plant 0. and do comma, and then you want to do that for all the ages you have. You don't have to have 7, but I am just deciding to have 7 because it's just better, honestly. There you go. And then you want to do close that, close that, save it. This will be in the description, by the way. And now you can close the block states. Now we need to go into the lang and do item dot lemon underscore seeds dot name equal to lemon seeds. Now going to models, going to block, and we need a lot of JSONs. Luckily, I have all of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy all of them. All of these JSONs that I am using here will be in the description, so just put them in, pop. So we just need to go edit things. So in lemon crop block, we're going to do Control F and place all, and I'm actually going to go ahead and do these for all of mine because I have took this from my personal mod as I thought that would be easier. And it is a lot, because it means we don't have to go out and write all of these, which is good for everyone. Close all of that. Now we need to create our quick item model for our seeds. So we need to do lemon underscore seeds, go into lemon seeds, change it to lemon underscore seeds, right, save that, grab yourself your texture. So I already have made my texture. You can go ahead and create your texture. I've just got to find mine. There they are, and pop it in items, go into items, check it's there, lemon seeds, there they are, and that's it. Let's go into the game, I suppose. So I'll see you guys in the game. Oh, 24 minutes, that's not bad. Honestly, I thought it would be a bit longer than that. Close all, because we don't need that. Anyways, so if I'm here, oh, that's okay. I mean, that's not. I move back to here sometimes, but then sometimes I'm here. Sometimes I'm like here, which isn't bad still. I mean, it could be a bit too loud, but I don't think it's anything crazy. I think here probably the best. I mean, look at that background sound. It's so crisp. Okay, guys, so I just realised we're a bit stupid. Well, at least I am. We didn't have the textures for the plant. So I was seeing all these errors in the console, and I was like, what are you on? So yeah, we should probably do that. So I've already made mine. I will leave you to make your own. This tutorial is not for textures. You can find many different tutorials on creating textures. Personally, I'm terrible at them. It takes me hours to create textures, so I will be here for a long time. I don't have a long time right now, so it's a good job I already have them. So I'm just going to grab mine and pop them in, but you can go and create yours whenever you want. So yeah, I'll see you guys back in the game. Alright, so guys, I just got in the game. So we're going to now go into our tutorial tab, grab out our lemon seeds. We're going to grab our ruby hoe, which we created, go into building blocks, grab some dirt. Now we're going to break this, 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 and replace it with some good old fresh grass. Hoe it with our mod's hoe. Place down the lemon seeds. Now, obviously, I know lemons grow on trees, but this is just an example for the mod. I will do trees at some point and stuff with them, such as like having a block on the trees where if you click it, it gives you like things, and they will regenerate. Like it'll give you better apples and stuff like that, and they will regenerate. I will do that in a future tutorial. But as you can see here, the lemons are growing. So yeah, I mean that's it really. Obviously, if you break these, assuming you're in survival, so just break it, and you should get, yes, you get the seeds. Oh, it wasn't fully grown, so it has to be fully grown. Obviously you would know when your own one is fully grown, so this one should be fully grown. As you can see, you get 2 seeds, and you should get a dark apple. No, ruby apple, I mean. Huh. 1 second, guys. What did I do? So let's just pop into our lemon plant here. It's meant to drop us a ruby apple. But it doesn't? Interesting. Anyway, guys, it works. Yeah, I mean, there's the ruby apple, so I don't see why it shouldn't. But oh well. It doesn't really matter. I've probably done something stupid, and yeah. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please do be sure to smash your face into that like button and subscribe. If you really enjoyed, please do be sure to share it. And by the way, guys, the next video is going to be on containers, so such as chests and stuff. We're going to be working through those, which is going to involve a bit of maths, and everyone loves a bit of maths sometimes. Most people don't like maths, but sometimes it can be fun. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. So yeah, bye guys.